Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So you stopped by this video because you want to know how to set up the automatic feedback on eBay. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is a real simple and easy tutorial. You do need a store subscription to do this in Seller Hub. All right, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to your review channel. Do appreciate you tuning into this one. So a lot of people ask me, how does eBay do automatic feedback for your sales? So people ask, how do you set that up? How do you do auto feedback? So someone purchases an item from you from eBay. So there's a couple different ways of doing that. You can manually give them feedback when they pay you, or you can actually give them feedback once the item has been delivered, or once they pay you. There's different ways of doing it, or you can have automatic feedback. So eBay has a system set up in place that you can do auto feedback. Real easy. But you do have to have one of the store subscriptions. I'm pretty sure you do. Because you really have to do it in Seller Hub, and the only way to really get Seller Hub is to have one of their subscriptions. And they start at really inexpensive, like $15 or $16. So if you have a subscription and you want to know how to do auto feedback, this is how you do it. This is real simple, quick tutorial. So what you want to do is you want to go to My eBay, okay, and then you want to go to Selling. And then once you're in Selling, this is called Seller Hub, okay? So this is where all your information is and how you're doing, what your sales are, and so on. So if you look at this whole page, there's a lot of stuff here. Don't focus on all that stuff. Just focus on the left-hand side here. And you're going to see a thing that says Automation Preferences. So click on Automation, or Automation. Yeah, that's what it says. Preferences. So let's click on that. It's going to pull up a screen. And what you're going to see here, it says Automatic Positive Feedback for Buyers. So there's two options available. First of all, you want to click automatic leave. So it says automatic leave for the following positive feedback. Okay, so that's what that says. So now you have two different options. In the following situations, you can click on buyer has paid for item. So in other words, you can leave them automatic feedback once they paid for the item. So that's what that means. The second option is the one I use, is buyer has paid for the item and left me positive feedback. So what that means basically is that once the person has left you positive feedback, it automatically generates feedback back to them. So that can be good, that can be bad. Everybody has a different preference, different idea about that. So if you automatically just give somebody feedback once they pay you, you can do it that way. Or how I do it is once the person has left me feedback, they automatically get feedback back. Some people agree with that, some people don't agree with that. It's totally up to you. So once you do that, you go to Edit Stored Comments. So click on Edit Stored Comments, and this is where you would leave all your different comments. Fast payment, great communication, and there's a bunch of them here. So what that means is that every time it leaves one, it will go to the next one, so it won't be redundant. So that way everybody kind of like spreads it out a little bit, so you can leave different comments, and it'll just rotate through these comments over and over and over, and you can change them and do whatever you want. And then once you do that, you want to hit Saved Comments. So that saves all the comments that we wrote in that little place there. Okay, hit apply. Make sure you hit apply in case you change anything here. So this is a real simple way of doing it. So if you have any questions or any comments, hit apply. Okay, so any questions or any comments, leave down in the box below. I will get back to you and let you, anything you have, any specific comments, any specific questions you have regarding eBay. I have a bunch of tutorials online regarding eBay. So if you have any questions at all, take a look at those tutorials. Something specific that I didn't cover for you for eBay, let me know and I'll be glad to help you with eBay. I've been on eBay for over 23 years and I've been selling tons and tons on eBay for many, many years. So this is just about automation preferences. This is how you leave automatic feedback for eBay. It's real simple and real easy to do. Any questions or any comments, like I said, I'd be glad to help you. So I just want to make this quick. They don't want to make this too long. They don't want to make it too complicated. So I hope it was simple. I hope you understood this. And I hope I helped you with eBay. So I appreciate that. All right, guys. So if you found this of value, please hit that like button down below. That does help me out quite a bit. I do appreciate that. Hitting that like button does help my channel and does help me just keep doing what I'm doing so I can help you. All right, guys. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial regarding eBay and automatic feedback. Appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next review.